Here we've got a slightly different example. Matt's monthly net income is $2,800. Notice net. This is big. We're being told the net income here instead of gross income. And the following is withheld from his monthly gross income. The 6.2% for Social Security, 1.45% for Medicare, 15% for federal income tax, and 5.3% for state income tax. And we'd like to determine Matt's monthly gross income. All right. Now, we're looking for this monthly gross income. So what we're going to do is this thing that we don't know, we're going to call that X. All right. We don't know what it is. And we're going to kind of work through our calculations that we're used to with keeping X in there, and then we're going to be able to solve for X. So let's start with all of these deductions here. So we've got our 6.2%, and the 1.45%, and the 15%, and the 5.3%. Let's go ahead and add all of those up. 6.2 plus 1.45 plus 15 plus 5.3. All right, and we get 27.95%. So if I take that and convert it into a decimal, I get 0.22795. And that times X, okay, is deductions, monthly deductions, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just label that monthly deductions. All right. Now, we know that after those monthly deductions, that Matt ends up with $2,800. That's his net income. So we can actually say that 0.2795x, okay, if I take that away from X, meaning I take my gross income and subtract my deductions, this is equal to 2,800. Okay, because I know my monthly net income is the 2,800. And now I'm trying to solve for X. All right, so what we need to do now is combine these terms on the left. Now, when I see just X, that's the same thing as 1X. So I need to do 1X minus 0.2795X. I can do that in my calculator, or I can just do it in my head. Let's go ahead and look at the calculator for this. So we just do 1 minus the 0.2795, and I get 0.7205. Okay, and that's X. And that's equal to the 2,800. And now to solve for X, I'm going to divide both sides by this number. Divide both sides by 0.7205. 0.7205. And that's going to cancel it out over here.